Hey, what's up, everybody? Thank you for becoming a Grazing Training Center member. And if you're not a member, I'd encourage you to sign up. But in this quick video, I want to just give you a broad overview of how to market your farm or ranch online. Okay, so I just made some bullet points, some numbers here on the screen. Um, so let's talk about them. So first of all, number one, most people think online marketing is just creating a Facebook page or creating a website and posting on social media or Facebook or Instagram or something like that, and then everything will just sort of happen for you, right? Well, I've been marketing farms and ranches online as well as my business, Agricultural Insights Online, for 11 years now. So I've got over a decade of experience with this, and I can tell you it's a lot more involved than that, but that doesn't mean it's impossible for someone like you who's a small family farmer or rancher to successfully market their products online. Okay, so another form of marketing people think they need to do online is like, oh, I'll get in my local news website, or I'll get featured on this website or in my local newspaper or something like that. That can help a little bit, maybe for your overall branding of your farm, but really it doesn't have much of an effect, okay? So let's move to bullet point two, what online marketing actually is, okay? So like I said, I've got over a decade of experience doing this. And so what online marketing actually is going onto a media platform like Facebook, which at this time is the best, regardless of whatever you think of Facebook, okay, good or bad. It's the best possible technology that you have right now to reach your ideal customers. Okay. So if you're a farm or ranch selling products and you want to stay in business or you want to grow, harnessing the power of Facebook is literally the best thing you can do. Okay. So what online marketing actually is going to a place like Facebook, targeting your ideal customers around your farm or ranch. So whatever radius you want to do, making those ideal customers an offer. Generally, that offer is something that gets people to come on your email list, right? So sign up for, join our farm newsletter is not a good offer. Okay, put yourself in the mindset of a mom that has two kids. She works full time, her husband works full time, both her kids are in school, they're in all sorts of activities, they're constantly busy, they're constantly rushing around, and they don't have time to do anything. If you make them an offer of something like that on Facebook, join our farm newsletter, some people will sign up, sure, but that's not really a good offer. Okay, that's not going to entice someone to sign up to get on your email list to hear more about your farm and give you, as the farm owner, the ability to communicate with that person and sell that person your products or services. Okay, so a good offer to make to that mom that has two kids who works full time and her husband works full time would be something like, a free pound of bacon with with your first order. Okay. And when someone hears free, that's one of the best things that you can offer someone, right? Free bacon. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, if you don't offer bacon, come up with something else. A free chicken. Okay. A free container of our homemade soups that we make. A free pound of ground beef when you purchase this package, or when you purchase two steaks, or something like that. So that is an offer that's really enticing. Once they see that offer, then you can talk to them more about why your farm and ranch is different, what type of practices that or your operation, what you practice on your farm or ranch, caring for the land, caring for the animals, restoring the ecosystem, promoting healthy soils, promoting healthy water, providing local healthy food directly to your community. All right, so then you can start to talk about that sort of stuff with the mom that has two kids, once you make them a great offer. Okay, and so really what you're doing is you're going to somewhere like Facebook, you're making them an offer like that, and then for that mom to get the offer, they need to click on that advertisement that you're running, they need to sign up for your email address. So that's number three on this right here, right? Building your list of potential customers. Okay, and bullet point A is you need to give them something they want. Okay, if someone's a mom and they've got 2 kids, they probably have a higher grocery bill. If they care about, good, healthy, clean food, offering someone a free pound of bacon with their first order is a great offer. So you're doing B right here, which is make an offer, and then you're also giving them something they want. So it's a win-win. All right. So in order to claim the offer, that's where the communication part comes in. In order to claim the offer, someone needs to click on your ad and sign up, right, and get on your email list. And then bullet point number 4 here, that's where you can start to communicate with these new potential customers that sign up to claim that offer on how they can redeem it. All right. So now you actually have ownership of that person's email address, meaning you can communicate with them whenever you want to until they unsubscribe from your email list. All right. This is what I do in my business. Okay. A lot of people want to get what I offer for free to get people on my email list, and then they'll never talk to me again or never do any business with me again. The majority of people do that. That's fine. Okay. That's normal. And then number 5, that's when you start selling your products or services and selling everything that has to do with your farm or ranch, right? So that's when you post the pictures of the baby goats or the new chicks or the piglets or the new calves being born. That's when you promote your whatever products or services that you offer. So if you have a CSA program, you promote that. If you have, if you sell raw milk, you promote that. If you sell cheese, you promote that there. Okay, so I think you get it, right? You just send regular emails, and in those emails, it's great to make offers to people. So they're like, man, this farm looks so cool. This ranch looks so cool. Let's go there, or let's meet up if you do drop-offs, however you do it logistically, and let's claim our free pound of bacon, right? So that first sale that you make, that's the most important part to start building that relationship with that customer, right? So that's kind of the first step is to keep communicating, to keep selling your farm or ranch without being pushy, and make people offers that sign up on your email list, okay? And then 6 is a little bit fulfillment. That's not really marketing your farm or ranch online, but I wanted to mention it. And number 7, this is probably one of the most important aspects of marketing your farm or ranch online, because and that is acquiring repeat customers. Okay, so any business faces this challenge. It doesn't matter what business you're in. If you can get someone to buy from you on a regular basis, they're going to be much more valuable to you over time, right? So it's much easier to sell to an existing customer than to go pay on Facebook like we just talked about, send them through your email, follow up, make them offers, eventually get them to buy from you. That's a difficult process, but it's not impossible. It's much easier to do number 7, which is get repeat customers, to get the same customers to buy from you again and again. And again, once someone becomes a customer, you can use bullet point number 4 here, communication, to follow up that person, to keep making them offers, etc. But the best thing that you can possibly do for your farm or ranch is to create a subscription business, okay? And I want you to think outside the box here. There's actually a really amazing book if you want to learn more about it. What is that book called? It's that subscription book I was just reading. Sorry, I'm looking over here at my books because I want to give you the name to it. It's called The Automatic Customer by John Warillo. So if you're actively selling farm or ranch products right now, beef, chicken, pork, flowers, vegetables, whatever, directly to consumers, you need to get that book, okay? Subscription customers are the best because it gives you recurring revenue in your business, which means you're getting paid monthly, you're getting paid yearly, you're getting paid every quarter, you're getting paid 6 months out of the year, however you want to set up your subscription. And this is kind of like a CSA, Community Supported Agriculture. This is their model. You pay yearly, you get a box, the consumer gets a box of vegetables or whatever delivered to their house once a week for 9 weeks or whatever, however long the growing season is, right? 12 weeks, whatever. So I want you to think outside the box on how, if you are currently selling to consumers, how you can create a subscription for your products. Your life's going to be so much easier. And I want you to think way outside of the box, okay? Let's say you sell flowers. I know most people watching this probably don't sell flowers. Most people sell meat or milk or cheese or something like that. But let's just say you sell flowers, okay? Most people think flowers are a one-time thing. Oh, it's a special occasion. It's Valentine's Day, or it's a birthday, or we're having a very special occasion or dinner at our house, so let's go buy some flowers. Well, in the Automatic Customer, John Rurillo makes a really good case for this business that actually created a subscription for their flowers, right? They went out to different businesses around the, I think it was in New York City or something like that, and said, hey, listen, we get our flowers, they're more fresh than the other guys. We've got different packages or different bouquets that you can buy, you know, like a small one, a medium one, and a big one. This one's $29 a month. We'll deliver the flowers to you once a week. This one's $40 a month, and this one's $89 a month. You can pick whatever one you want. We're going to bring you a fresh bouquet of flowers every single week, and you just stay signed up on our subscription. Okay, so think about that. Now the flower shop owner, or the person that sells the flowers, now has repeat customers with consistent demand that they are actually getting paid all the time with. Okay, so that's much easier than trying to sell one bouquet of flowers to one person. So like I said, this is the best thing you can do for your business if you're actively selling farm or ranch products to consumers, is to create a subscription. And I know some really smart marketers who, or some smart farmers or ranchers who are also really smart marketers selling their products even all over the United States right now. They have nationwide distribution. They're just mailing their, chickens or whatever through UPS frozen, or their beef frozen. What none of them are doing, and it's costing them a lot of money, is creating a subscription product where they can just, you could sign a family up for a subscription product, a box of beef every month. It could look something like this: 5 pounds of ground beef, 5 pounds of chuck roast, 3 pounds of steak, and 2 pounds of beef short ribs, or whatever it would be, okay? Or you can mix and match it. Now, imagine if you had the consistency every month to just offer that and ship that to your customers, or drop it off to your customers, or have your customers pick it up or deliver it to your customers, whatever. So I know this is a little bit of a rambling, and you're probably saying, yeah, Chris, I get it, but I really want to emphasize this. To create a subscription for your farm or ranch products, this is the most valuable thing you could do. If you did nothing else and you got nothing else out of this video, create a subscription for your farm or ranch products, and you will thank me later, okay? And then finally, number 8, how to market your farm or ranch online. Number 8, and this is the difficult thing, but it makes it easier if you do bullet point number 7, which is create a subscription, is number 8 is duplicating the process, right? So you want to go find more customers. You want to get them on your email list. You want to make more customers that same offer. You want to communicate with more customers. You want to sell more customers. You want to get more customers to, you want to fulfill orders for more customers. You want to get more customers on your subscription, right? So this is how you would duplicate, or that's why you would want to duplicate the process. This is a really complicated, in-depth topic. Doesn't mean it's impossible for you. If you've never heard of the stuff I'm talking about right now today, don't feel overwhelmed about it. Just realize that you need to do something about it if you are selling directly to consumers, and continue to learn. It's a process. Like I said, I've been doing this 11 years and I still have a lot to learn. All right. So that's how to market your farm or ranch online. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments to this video. But that's pretty much what I've learned, and what I think you could apply to your farm or ranch is to go to Facebook, get new customers, or reach out to new customers, make them an irresistible offer that they can't refuse, like free bacon. Yeah, bacon's like $6 or $7 at the store, so I'll get a free pound of bacon. Build that list, communicate with that list, make that list offers to sell them, and then get that list or those customers to become repeat customers by setting up a subscription. So I hope you got a lot out of that. I know it helped me to kind of talk through everything. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, take care. Bye.